Hey guys, what's up? So today my topic is tree communication. If you want to know how tree communicates, then watch my video. So tree communicates with the network of fungi. Fungi network is underground network of fungi that connects trees through their roots. Simply, tree communicates with their roots with the help of fungi network. They also shares nutrients and resources. They also warn each other of potential threats such as insect attacks or drought. This complex network is facilitated by first fungi hyphae that connects the roots, and the other one is chemical signals like hormones and volatile organic compound. Tree communication plays a crucial role in maintaining forest ecosystems. And if you like my video, then follow me and comment tree. Bye bye.